Hello, everybody. Love, worship, and serve. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Okay, good. I'm very good. Yo estoy muy bien. I'm very good. Thank you. Before I start with the class, please let's watch and listen to the next video, okay? While you're listening, you can go to wash your hands. Mientras lo vas escuchando, you can go, puedes ir, you can go to wash your hands, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, here we go.
Wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands. Show me your hands, everybody. Show me your hands. Are they dirty? Show me your hands, everybody. Time to wash your hands. Rub your hands, everybody. Rub your hands. Are they soapy? Rub your hands, everybody. Time to wash your hands. And we sing, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands. Wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands.
Did you wash your hands? Yes? Excellent, good. Don't forget to wash your hands before doing your homework. Antes de hacer la tareita, no te olvides de lavarte muy bien las manitos. Very good, thank you. So let's start. Ay, les quiero contar algo. Today I am a little bit sad, un poquito triste. Why? Because I lose some animals. He perdido algunos de mis animalitos. Can you help me? ¿Puedes ayudarme? Can you help me, please? Thank you. Okay, I don't know. No sé. Where is my bird? Where is my bird? ¿Me puedes ayudar a encontrarlo? Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, this is our topic of today. Es lo que haremos el día de hoy. First, I would like to show you, me gustaría mostrarles this video, okay? You watched this video in the previous class. Ya viste este video en la clase anterior, okay? Let's watch again. 1, 2, 3, here we go.
Where's the crayon, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee? Where's the crayon, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dum? Dee-dum. It's in the box, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee. It's in the box, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dum. Dee-dum. Where's the box, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee? Where's the box, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dum? Dee-dum. It's on the chair, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee. It's on the chair, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dum. Dee-dum. Where's the chair, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee? Where's the chair, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dum? Dee-dum. It's right here, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee. It's right here, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dum. Dee-dum.
Good! Did you like this song? ¿Te gustó la canción? Yes, me too. A mí también. I loved this song. Okay. It's about prepositions. Do you remember prepositions? ¿Lo recuerdas? Ah, a ver, let's use our hands. Vamos a usar nuestras manitos. In, on, under. Very good. Let's do it again. In, on, under. Excellent! You remember very well the prepositions. Okay, let's listen and repeat. Listen and repeat.
On,
On,
in,
in,
under,
under,
on,
on,
in,
in,
under.
under. Excellent, very good. Good pronunciation. Muy bien, very good. Now, okay. Do you know him? ¿Lo conoces? His name is Scratch. ¿Cómo se llama? Scratch. Very good. His name is Scratch. I don't know. No lo sé. I don't know. Where is Scratch? No sé dónde está Scratch. Can you help me? ¿Me ayudas a encontrarlo? Thank you. Okay. But not only Scratch. No solo él. Please help me. Where is Garfield? Where is Garfield? ¿Dónde está? Where is my cat? ¿Dónde está mi gatito Garfield? I don't know where is Garfield. Can you help me to find him? ¿Me ayudas a encontrarlo? Thank you. And I don't know where is Blue. His name is Blue. Su nombre es Blue. Where is Blue? I don't know. No lo sé. So I'm very sad. Can you help me to find him? ¿Me ayudas a encontrarlo? Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, let's start. Please help me. Where is Scratch? Where is Scratch? Ah, oh yeah. Very good. Ok, ¿lo viste? Thank you, gracias por ayudarme a encontrarlo. Ya lo encontré. Scratch is on the table. On the table. ¿Está encima de qué? De la mesa. Scratch is on the table. Ok, repeat after me, please. Vas a repetir, ¿sí? Después de mí. Scratch is on the table. Scratch is on the table. Excellent, good. Okay, thank you. Ahora sí, I'm very happy. Estoy muy feliz. Thank you. The next one. Where is Blue? Where is Blue? Where is Blue? I can't find him. No puedo encontrarlo. Where is Blue? Ay, ¿dónde está? Ah, thank you very much. Gracias. I saw Blue, ya lo vi. Ok, Blue is... ¿Dónde está? In, on, or under? Excellent. Blue is in the igloo. In the igloo. ¿Está dónde? En el igloo, ok. Repeat, please. Blue is in the igloo. Blue is in the igloo. Thank you. Gracias. Thank you very much. Next. Where is Garfield? Where's Garfield? Where is Garfield? Where's Garfield? Ah, yes, excellent. Garfield is under, debajo, under the table. Thank you very much. Garfield is under The table. Repeat after me, please. Repeat. Garfield is under the table. Garfield is under the table. Good job. Thank you very much. Gracias por ayudarme. Muchas gracias. Thank you. Now, please, for the next class, you are going to paint. Vas a pintar. Paint the next picture. Los vas a pintar, ¿ok? There is a tree. Hay un arbolito, ¿verdad? Did you see the tree? Okay, there is a tree. A bird. Un pájaro. There is a bird. There is a rabbit. Hay un conejito. There is a rabbit. And there is a frog. There is a frog. Un sapito, ¿verdad? And there is a flower. A flower. Please paint. Paint the tree, the bird, the rabbit, the frog, and the flower. ¿Ok? Los vas a pintar todo lo que te estoy mostrando ahora lo vas a pintar muy bonito. And you are going to answer my question, but in the next class. Vas a responder a mis preguntas en la siguiente clase. ¿Qué te voy a preguntar? Where is the bird? Where is the bird? ¿Dónde está el pajarito? Where is the bird? The bird is in. ¿Está dentro de qué? In the tree. Good. Is in the tree. Dentro del árbol. Very good. Where is the rabbit? Where is the rabbit? ¿Dónde está el conejito? Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is under the tree. Under the tree. Debajo del árbol. And where is the frog? Where is the frog? El sapito. ¿Dónde está el sapito? Where is the frog? The frog is under the flower. The frog is under the flower. Very good. Okay. These questions, estas preguntas, te las voy a hacer a la siguiente clase, ¿ok? Only practice. Practice prepositions. Practica las preposiciones, no te olvides. Practice with your hands. Puedes hacerlo con las manitos. In, on, under. ¿Ok? Excellent. Good job. Now, let's say goodbye through this song. Listen, watch, and repeat.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again.
Okay, very good. Goodbye, my kids. Ahora sí nos despedimos. I was very glad working with you today. Thank you very much for listening to me. Bye bye.